So bad, so real, smells on wheels. Bottles on the flex, diamonds busting at the roof. I gotta fly, I need a jet. I need room for my legs. I got a baby, I need some money. What I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. Back with another video. Back with another video. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Coming at you with a real quick update on me stopping braiding and banding. I stopped braiding and banding for my 5th month of having my Sisterlocks installed, and I have been on and off back and forth with braiding and banding and not, and I want to show you some quick pictures of the results of me not braiding and banding. And just tell you why I recommend to braid and band at all times. Some hair types, if you don't braid and band, you will get slippage, you will do damage to your locks, and all type of stuff. So I just wanted to make sure that I made a video to say that you should braid and band when you do your shampoos to help prevent bunching and slippage. My locks were swollen. They got really chunky, and then like at the roots of my locks, it will be very skinny, and then it'll get really chunky. So I have like this much of a skinny lock, and then all of a sudden my lock will get really big. That's from me not braiding and banding. I'm not sure if that's from me not braiding and banding, or if my hair just got thicker. But I'm thinking that because I didn't braid and band, my hair wasn't able to condense in size, because when it gets the water on the locks, it swells up, right? So when it's swole up, if it's braided, it kind of helps it condense and stay in that size, instead of it just being swollen and then dry swollen. With the braids, I think it helps it come back down to the smaller size that your consultant might have installed it in. But then when you don't braid and band, it swells up and it just stays in that same swollen phase. And a lot of my locks got really swollen, got very large, and I did not like that. This is one of my concerns that I have. I'm just coming on here to promote and let you know that you should braid and band until your locks are mature. And sometimes even when your locks are mature, you may still need to braid and band. So make sure that you talk to your consultant. If you don't have a consultant, then just make sure that you braid and banding to reduce slippage and bunching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching this video. Just wanted to do a quick video and let y'all know what was going on.